Hello everyone, my name is Javier Setoain. I'm the conference chair for this year's ARMS Research Summit. For those of you who are not familiar with the ARMS Research Summit, this is a conference where we get together both industry and academia to discuss science and technology. This year's theme is going to be Global Technology Challenges. So if you have any research you want to show us, or you're one of those people working on these big problems, this is a great opportunity to find collaborations between industry and academia. We want to bring together people with the right scientific knowledge, people with the technology, and people with the problems to find new and creative solutions to these big challenges. So if you feel like this is something that rings close to you, please submit your talks, posters, demos, and workshops, and I hope to see you all next September.